Happy Monday morning! I'm in the bank waiting to get my receipts, like usual. Not changed up. Got the brightness out of my closet. My sister said that it looked like I had the same thing on in every video. I mean, I sort of did. My coat and my scarf. But underneath that, I had different clothes on. Anyway, I don't want everybody to think that I wear the same thing all the time, era. What is taking so long? It's only 2 deposits. Sheesh. They're probably listening to what I'm saying to myself. Maybe I should put my card in there, my YouTube channel, so they can check it out. The car next to me is done already. So loud! Hey, guess what? I'm gonna sit right here and talk to y'all. Some changes are gonna be happening in my life pretty soon. I'm not prepared to talk about them. I like to let y'all know what's going on in my world. So as soon as they start happening, I'm gonna let you know it. No worries. A little bit emotional about some of them, but with change comes growth, correct? Don't you? Here's what I hate. I hate when people say change is good. Because in my experience, I have learned, I'm not saying that it's not good, but in my experience, I have learned people that say change is good to other people are people that are not having to or do not have to change anything. So how the hell do they know if change is good? Anyway. That's my take on it. That's my experience. That's how I feel. However, I am not looking forward to it. Things, I don't know. I hope you're interested. If you're not, then go to the next video. Simple as that. Anyway, I don't even know. I just went off on some, I don't know. I don't even know where I went. But I'm back now. Here I am, laser focused. I weighed this morning. Got on the scale. Jumped down. Listen. Anyway, I got on the scale. That was my little celebration. A drum roll. I'm down 8 pounds. 8! Hard work, dedication, determination, something else, Shun. I had a feeling that this morning when I got on the scale, I was going to show some stuff. 8 pounds. I only got 10 more to go. I mean, okay. I am killing it. 8 pounds! Yes! Look, tooting my own horn. Did you hear it? Anyway, I'm going to walk the mall. I'll catch y'all on the flip. What in the hell? Are you all just going to let me sit here and talk with a booger in my nose? I mean, I was talking about serious stuff and a booger was in my nose. Like that in my nose. I seen it. Whatever. I'm human, and I do have boogers, just like you. Also, I have to poop. So I'm gonna get off here so I can go in the mall and blow up the public restroom, okay? I gotta poop so bad. I gotta go so bad. I don't know. Sometimes I get tickled, okay? Excuse me. This video is about bodily functions. It's not about updates and diets. It's about boogers and pooping and burping so far. Let me just add, I don't know. Yeah, I'm good. I want my videos to be entertaining, first and foremost, and secondly, informative. What? Okay. Okay, so I went back to edit. Now look what issue I got going on. What the hell? I'm gonna have to go through a checklist from this point on. Check the boogers, check the eye boogers, check the teeth. Because sometimes I'll have like a perfect take. It'll be all the content I want to have and all the subjects and cover each thing, and it's funny and cute, and then I realize I got a booger hanging out my nose or I got food in my teeth, and then I go back to redo it, and it never is as good as it was the first time with the booger and the thing in my tooth. Checklist from this point on. Checklist. Hey, look at me. There I went off on a tangent yet again. It's like I can't focus. I'm gonna see y'all next week. This video is just a hot mess.